Did you ever have to compromise your own ideas for a piece of work that you did?
Yeah, sure, but that is the whole name of the game. In advertising, it is an applied art. The client has the final call, they have the final tips. And then, of course, if you're working with stars and they have their point of view, and then you have to listen to them, and then there's clients and research and legal and worrying about people's sensibilities. So it's बहुत complex. The best thing about writing is that writing में you can say what you want.
Anuja Chauhan joined JWT in 1993, and in the next 17 years, she was responsible for many memorable catchphrases, primarily for Pepsi Cola India. She also had popular catchphrases she worked on included "डर के आगे जीत है" for Mountain Dew, "टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है" for Kurkure.
So hello everyone, we are here at the Kolkata Literary Meet 2025 and right now with us we have Anuja Chauhan ma'am. So ma'am, first of all, welcome to Kolkata. Thank you. You were just talking about how Kolkata everyone talks and everything. So do you have any experience like that?
Yeah, I mean, Kolkata's air is clear. Everyone is have opinion. People say what they want, they wear what they want. I worked in advertising for 17 years. A lot of my best friends are Bengali, because you must be knowing it's a very popular industry before,
Correct.
for Bengali people.
You were talking about your work with Pepsi, right? So how was that experience? Like you were talking about, I'll not quote this line you said, not to quote it, but how was the experience?
No, it was great. So Pepsi, I worked on for 14 years. Since the brand came to India, I did a lot of campaigns from Edil Mangve More and Oi Babi, and I'm forgetting many. Mountain Dew करके अगर चीज है कुरकुरे तेरा है पर मेरा है. So lots of the Pepsi brands, and it was great. It was a phase of my life, and I love doing it. But of course, advertising is an applied art. So it's your
To be on the point, gets us. We had this just now. The panel that the whole discussion was going on was about he said, she said, and the different perspectives. I would like to ask you that there was a question that someone asked over there that does feminism come in the way of something. So I would like you to like further explain about it. What do you feel exactly?
no. I use a visa question. Sorry, I don't know the gentleman, but the thing is that, अरे भाई, what if feminism comes in the way? That's like saying it can only come in the way if you're walking red light, is what I, was saying to him. Because feminism just means that everybody's equal. And surely in a loving relationship, everyone should be equal. That's the whole definition of a love.
Right now, the perspective of what exactly feminism is somehow has evolved into something very different. I don't know how, but I was talking over there with one of my teammates, and he was saying that the older generation maybe would have agreed with that man, but and I realized that that is because like the exact definition of feminism, what it is actually that people don't know.
Not a very fair example, but what's been done is say Rahul Gandhi. Like ye pappu hai, इसे कुछ नहीं आता. We gadha hai. It's the same way of saying feminists are, they are men haters, and they are all, they can't stand men, and they're ugly, and they're sassy, and they're lesbians. It's a very added form. It's all wrong. So I think that's what's being done to.
Do you really think, as a writer who's so open about his thoughts, what do you think? Have you ever faced any problems that, as I told that I like it very much about you, that you are so to the point and outspoken about thoughts that you have. So has it ever been a problem for you?
It's been a problem for me, like in corporate settings, I guess. Like if you're in a meeting and if your client is talking rubbish and beyond the point, you can't take it. We say, yaar, kya baat kar rahe ho? So I tend to be, I've suffered for that in the corporate world. In no other way I feel I was.
Did you ever have to compromise your own ideas for a piece of work that you did?
Yeah, sure, but that is the whole name of the game. In advertising, it is an applied art. The client has the final call, get the final dicks. And then, of course, if you're working with stars and they have their point of view, and then you have to listen to them, and then there's clients, research, and legal, and worrying about people's sensibilities, तो उसमें बहुत compromise. The best thing about writing is that writing में you can say what you want. And as somebody was saying on the panel, Ujjwal was saying that. He said, you're safe. People don't read books. So we can say what we like.
Yes, so ill-opinionated people are usually away from this. So it's a good thing, maybe. Ma'am, it was really nice talking to you. But right now, I would just throw a closing question. That is, you're here in Kolkata. Have you earlier been here?
Yeah, I get invited and I love coming. So,
Ma'am, how's the overall experience over here? Like the fans that you meet and everything, how's the experience?
it's really nice. it's like I said, it's very open. People are very frank. People are quite brutal. People are well read, and they have a lot of opinions, which is always good. Which is great.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was Anuja Chauhan, ma'am, because thank you so much, everyone.
Bye.